Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. Today I will just introduce something brand new. On my channel you were used to really see only the diecast models and the reviews, but today I have something different. You see this, so actually the winter is coming and I saw those beautiful plastic models of Chernobyl out there, and I decided that my winter will be fully dedicated to assembling, painting and creating diorama of those Chernobyl situations from 1986. And now maybe let me introduce what I actually bought. So I have 4 boxes and now I will show you all the details, because in my next couple of months I will really spend all my free time and evenings and maybe nights working on those nice plastic models for my next diorama projects. Okay, so now a good question where to start. So I have really 4 boxes, and first this Chernobyl number 4 deactivator. So this is actually only a set of 4 figures in 1:35 scale, and this scale is quite unusual for diecast models, so I can't really match it to any model of my collection, but for plastic army models this is the standard. So yeah, nice. And do we have something more here? No, we only have here how this will look like. So here basically the 4 figures. Okay, so that's the one. Then I have this huge box. This is the nice ZIL truck, and again with some soldiers and officers. So this is the radiation monitoring station. Again, the same company. Where is it? Scale 1:35, and here ICM. Okay, and maybe if I show you also here how this will look like. So this is the truck with a lot of glass, and yeah, so that's basically the second set, and I will probably start with this one. So it's my favorite one. Okay, then let's see what we have next here. This is Chernobyl number 3, and here we have actually, this is my favorite scene from the Chernobyl series, which was on HBO, I think like 3 years ago. And here we have the guys who actually cleaned the roof of the power plant, and I think some of them died a few days later because of the radiation. So that's really interesting. I'm curious to already assemble this. This is very nice. So I will also need to paint it. It's all unpainted, 14 plus. And here we also have the figures. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Some of them are going to die. Okay, so that's now. Let me show you also this one. So Chernobyl number 2 firefighters. So here we have this fire engine or fire truck. Very nice, beautiful, and few more figures. So the fireman fighting bravely with the fires surrounding the Chernobyl power plant. And again, there is some disclaimer, 14 plus. And here we have the details of the fire truck. So far so good, very nice. So wow, look at that. So I will need a lot of red color. So now let me also show you now what I have on my desk here. So of course I have this set, 14 pieces of different knives. And what is actually, is there any description? Not at all, but believe me, it's very useful. Then I have this base, or what's it's cutting mat. The size is A4. I was looking for something larger, but A4 was the largest I could find, to cut some small pieces. I also have this special precision cutter for the small plastic pieces. Then sanding sticks to really sand the small pieces. We have 5 of them in this small package. Good. And of course I also have a lot of colors here. So I can only show you now 4 of them. So here Tamiya, nice colors. You see, for example, this black one, flammable, of course. And interesting, it's in this Rebel case box, but inside we have Tamiya. Yeah, so very unusual. And as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3 full boxes, and then I have also some wash. Yeah, so this is the synthetic wash. This is, I think this is sand, or what is it? This is sand. Yeah, so I have sand. Then I have some kind of mud. Yeah, so muddy wash. And of course I have also this one, which is the rusty wash. Yeah, so 3 of them. Then I have this thinner from Tamiya. Okay, so maybe you are used to this one. It's to mix it with the colors. Then I have some contact liquid. Okay, so what is it actually? I already forget. Yeah, I bought so many things to assemble this Chernobyl. I have some mixing cups for the colors. Okay, I have also another glue here. This is for the details. It's with a nice needle here. That's for the professionals like me. Okay, actually I haven't told you yet, but I used to assemble plastic models when I was a kid. Yeah, so I'm not really a newbie. And what I also have, and I wanted to show you, is this airbrush set. Yeah, so this is really amazing. It's from Revel, and this was actually the most or the cheapest one that I found for about $150. The other ones were like, I don't know, even $300, $400, and I said it's too much. Yeah, I just need to paint a few things here. But the good thing is that later with this one I will also paint some of my die-cast models, like my Skoda Kodiaq, yeah, or my Jaguar XJ 2020. Oh, sorry, 220. Okay, so the plan is clear. Yeah, so now I will really play with this paintbrush, and I will paint some of the nice things that I have purchased. So right now I think it's clear what I will do, and I think there will be also less videos of die-cast models in the next months. Yeah, so this is just to show you what I really love to do. Okay, and don't be so upset if you are subscribed and want to see some die-cast models. Of course, they will come, but definitely with not that much attention to die-cast as in the past. Now I want to also spread my interest to some other things, and this is definitely one of them. I am really looking forward to assembling those plastic models of Chernobyl, my favorite series, not my favorite event, however. It's just that I like the environment. It also reminds me of some Fallout movies and so on. So I will really use a lot of rust and a lot of mud and a lot of sand to really make it perfectly rusty and look it like a real disaster. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed what I showed you right now, and probably I will also show you how I assemble some of those models. So please just let me know in the comments if you would be interested to, for example, see how I assemble this fire truck. Yeah, if you want to see it or not, just tell me, and then if yes, then I will probably take some step-by-step guide, or at least some videos to show you how I do it. So thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Thumbs up, thank you, and bye bye.